I just wanted to talk a little bit about these strawberry plants. They're producing fruit constantly. They're an ever bearer, they call them. But the odd thing is they've got pink flowers. I planted them all around the veg truck, and they're producing fruit constantly, continuously, and they keep flowering. There's more buds there, look, and keep fruiting. The variety is Toscana. I bought them from DT Brown Seeds, and they come as little plug plants. And what I wanted to show you was the containers they come in, because they hold 6 plug plants in each tray. And the way they come, I don't know if you can see that. Well, I've reused them. I've planted a load of brassicas in here, and I'm using them as like mini greenhouses. I don't even know if you can see that. I don't know how clear that is, but they're getting a bit leggy now, so I'm going to have to repot them. But yeah, I've got 4 lots there, so that's 4 lots of plants. I got the main greenhouse obviously, but that's pretty full, as you can see. So yeah, I just thought it's a handy little tip. They make handy little mini greenhouses to get things started with. Just quickly a quick look round. Plenty of fruit in here, plenty of tomatoes, but it's pretty much all green at the minute. There ain't a lot of ripe stuff in here at all. The outdoor tomatoes are doing better. Just very quickly, I must all be bored looking at this, but I think this Gigantamo, yeah, the Gigantamo, colouring up nicely now. Not all of them, but they're getting there. And these are the Virginia Sweets, and they're getting that bit of darkness before they colour. And these over here, the Tiger Blush, are doing what they do well, growing and then ripening. These here are the bonus ones. These were the Gardener's Delight that were suckers that I replanted, and so was that one over there. So yeah, just a little update. Still getting tomatoes. Lost a lot of the late buds because of the high heat, really high heat that stuck all the pollen. But I've topped them all off now. I've topped all my tomatoes off because I want the fruit that has been produced to ripen before we get any frost. I know I've got 2 months or whatever, but you can get caught out easy, especially in England. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. So that's me saying bye till next time.